Electrical installation certificate. Today we're looking into something crucial for every homeowner, the electrical installation certificate, or EIC for short. If you want to ensure that your home's electrical work is safe, compliant and up to British standards, then stick around. Let's break it all down in this comprehensive guide. An electrical installation certificate isn't just a piece of paper. It's proof that your electrical work is safe and meets the necessary standards. Here's why it matters. Safety assurance confirms the work complies with electrical safety standards. Legal compliance provides evidence of compliance with Part P of the building regulations. Proof of competency assures you that a qualified electrician did the work. Property transactions, essential for smooth sales or purchases of properties. Knowing when you need an EIC can save you from future headaches. Here's when it's essential. New circuits. Adding new circuits requires an EIC. Consumer unit changes and upgrades. Replacing a fuse box also needs an EIC. Complex modifications. Alterations in special locations like bathrooms, gardens require it. These aren't just bureaucratic hurdles, they're vital for safety and legal compliance. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to getting an EIC. Hire a registered electrician. Choose one who is registered with the Competent Person Scheme, like NIC, EIC. Schedule the work. Plan the installation or modifications. Inspection and testing. The electrician conducts thorough tests. Issuance of the certificate. If all checks are passed, the EIC is issued. While an EIC is standard, very minor works might require one. So a minor works certificate may suffice. For you as homeowners, consult with a registered electrician. Always verify credentials. Keep records. Organise all electrical documentation. Keep it safe should you sell or rent your property out. Regular electrical inspections. Schedule periodic inspections for safety. An EIC is more than a formality. It's crucial for safety, legal compliance and property transactions. Without it, you might face legal issues or safety hazards. So here's some key takeaways from this video. Verify your electrician's credentials. Keep your documentation organised. Be proactive with inspections. Consult professionals for complex works. By understanding the importance of an EIC, you ensure your home remains safe and compliant. Ready to take action and secure your EIC? Want to explore more about safety and compliance? Let me know. Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help and of interest to you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell so you get told when we release future videos.